Today, Hamster Kombat and June 7. So come under markets, look for Mimicon. This is it. You need to activate, go and activate this. Come to PR and team, find it and go to level 10. So let's activate it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So good to go. Let's come to markets, look for Mimicon. This is it, so activate it. That is our first card. Let's go to the second card. Okay, so the second card come under PR and team. Look for this, so you need to activate item level 3. So let's go. This is item. We need to go to level 3. 1, 2, 3. So let's come under here and activate it. So good. Remain our second card. Let's go and find it. So our second card is under league. Come to let's Japan. This is it. So if you are not activated, you need to check what they ask you to activate it. Go and activate it to come and activate this. So let's go. Go ahead. This is complete. Take the price. So this is it. We have done it. That is how to get our 5 million coins. Okay, can you people see it? It's complete here. So thank you for watching.